Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhavya and you're watching Bhavya's Learning Lifestyle. If anyone are new to my channel, I make videos on kids learning and education, parenting and my ideas on fashion and skincare. Are you a person feeling tired, difficult to concentrate or just sleepy when it comes to studying? You are definitely not alone. We all have had those days when our brain feels numb and drained, only to remember that we still have some studying to do. The more you panic, the harder it is to get to work. If this is the situation you are in this today's video, I will be sharing some strategies that successful students use to motivate themselves to study. Are you guys ready to say goodbye to procrastination? Yes, then let's get into the video how to get interest to study when you are not in a mood. The very first strategy is tackle the easier things first. Some may claim it's better to begin a study session with a different topic so you will get it done sooner. This hack definitely works wonder for some people, whereas for others who are wide awake and alert, it's not good idea for them. So what they can do when you are tired but still need to study, the solution for this is start studying easier subject or easier chapter first. Okay, getting into mood to study can be hard, so by working on something easy, actually you are tricking your brain into getting started. The satisfaction of completing a topic will also boost your mind and encourage you to continue studying. My next tip is break down the material into chunks. A major cause of procrastination is the task itself seems overwhelming. At that time, what you all can do is divide that particular topic into different sessions, like different chunks. Take for example, you are studying a physics, a topic on conservation of energy. So divide that topic into three divisions. One division is for reading a lesson, other division is solving a problems on it or learning MCQs, and other division is like gathering information about that particular topic. You are learning that topic in different ways. So by doing this, you actually get interest. You're developing interest by searching some references about it. So assign yourself a certain number of those chunks each day. And the third tip is reward yourself. Every time you complete one or two tasks, don't forget to reward yourself, because this is the thing, it boosts your energy levels to get interest. And the next strategy is create a study routine. So how to create a study routine or study planner, I already made a video on it, so don't forget to watch that video. So just make a plan for your studying and follow according to that. And the next thing is avoid distractions. Do your best to eliminate these distractions, guys. Turn off your internet access, delete all the games on your phone. These are the things that actually distract your mind, so say no to the distractions. The next tip is study with other like-minded people. Studying with another person with the same goal could be useful for motivation and keep each other going. So make sure you continue to evaluate your ability to focus if you decide to join in a group. And the next tip is drink enough water. Water is what your body really needs when you are tired. As you know that dehydration forces your body to work harder and gives you headache. So don't forget to take enough water. And the next tip is go for a walk or just get up and move. Getting some fresh air and sunlight outside will make you feel more energetic and less moody. So just go for a walk and relax yourself. And my last tip is take 20 to 30 minutes sleep. Many studies that have found that power naps boost memory, creativity and energy level, guys. So it's very important for you to take a short sleep. That's all for today's video, guys. Next time when you are not interested to study, follow these tips and let me know how it is useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you guys.